In this lecture, we're gonna look at dimension properties. So here we have these three views and we have those three dimensions here. So let's click here on the 90 millimeters dimension, this one, and here on the left side, we have dimension properties. We have three tabs: value, liters, and other here. Let's go with a value. So the first one that we have here is tolerance precision. So we can add a tolerance here if we want. We can choose here. We can go with a basic. And now we got something like this. We can go with limit. Now we got something like this. So here we can put, for example, plus 0.5, like this. And here you can go with 0 for the minus. We can choose here min. We can choose here max if we want. As well, we can go here with symmetric, like this, plus minus 0.05. We can go with show parentheses, like this, as well. Here we can choose the precision that we want. We can go with 3 decimals, like this, or we can go with 2 decimals, like this. Down here we have a primary value. If we don't like this value, we can go here override value. For example, we can go with 100, like this. But that doesn't change the dimension of our model, as we said before, because this is driven dimension. This is not driving dimension. And here down we have dimension text. But first let's uncheck override value. Now let's go here to dimension text. For example, we can click here and we can add here, if we want, the sign for diameter, like this. As well, we can go here, we can add a sign here at the end. We can go here with counterbore, like this. We can also add parentheses, like this, or we can go with this one, and we can round this. And now, for example, if we want to use those properties on the other dimension, for example, 80, we can go here and we can save this. So we can go add or update a style. So we can call this A, like this, and let's click OK. So this is now A. Now we can just click OK here. Now we can go to here 80 millimeters, and we don't have to now set up the all things that we had before. We can just go here to the style, and we can choose here A, like this. And now here we have this what we choose before. Let's click OK. So this is how you can define dimension properties.